Morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. I am Veljan Bari. I present to you the cultural globalization in the contemporary world. So, here in introduction, cultural globalization in contemporary world. In an increasingly connected world, globalization is often viewed through the lenses of trade agreements and political summits. However, the deepest transformative forces are often cultural. So, why culture matters and globalization. Culture is a bedrock of human society, shaping values, identities, and interactions. In the context of globalization, understanding the cultural exchange is crucial for international relations and societal connectivity. And understanding today in globalization beyond economics and politics. So, globalization is often viewed through the economic or political lenses. However, the movement of cultural goods, ideas, and people profoundly connects societies in ways that transcend trade and policy. And the role of culture in connecting societies is shared narratives encapsulates the ideas that global media, music, and arts provide a common ground for people across the world to connect through shared experiences, fostering cultural understanding and bridging divides where globalization exposes individuals to diverse cultural elements, influencing their personal identities and challenging traditional boundaries. And we are in defining cultural globalization. First is spread and blending. Cultural globalization refers to the worldwide diffusion and intermingling for ideas, values, and lifestyles. Second is knowledge exchange. This includes the rapid exchange of knowledge, tradition, and media across national borders. Third is homogenization and hybridity. It creates both homogenization, where culture become more alike, and hybridity, where new mixed culture emerge. The process is dynamic, involving the both adoption of foreign elements and the projection of local cultures into a global stage. So, we're in contemporary diverse of cultural convergence. In modern technologies, an increasing mobility have accelerated through mobilization to an unprecedented pace. We have a three, technology and social media. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube allow instant, borderless sharing of trends, lifestyle, and political ideas. Second is travel and migration. Increasing international travel and permanent migration introduce people to new cultures, leading of cultural diffusion and as a porous community. Global entertainment and massive reach to global industry like film, music, gaming. Standardize some aspects of popular culture worldwide. And also, the key feature of cultural sphere is we have three: mass entertainment. The mass entertainment is worldwide popularity of films, music, sports, and fashion define share global experiences. Second is lingua franca, the rapid spread of languages, particularly English, uh, facilitates international communication and commerce. Third is digital exchange. Cross-cultural exchanges are accelerated and depend through digital media platforms and internet. And now, media and pop culture. Media empires from a specific nation dominates global culture consumption, shaping narratives and shaping global trends like Hollywood, Bollywood, and K-pop. The streaming revolution now. Food and lifestyle globalization from local staple and global brand. Food globalization reflects both the spread of multinational chains and evolution of culinary traditions through cultural mixing. Uh, like sample, the perceived reach of global restaurant like McDonald's and Starbucks standardized fast food experience worldwide, and increased demand for exotic and international ingredients driven by global travel and media explosion. And also in education and language exchange, the flow of students and knowledge across national borders creates a deeply interconnected academic world. Also, we have three, the international student mobility. Millions of students pursue uh, education abroad, fostering cross-cultural understanding and transferring skill globally. Second is English as academic lingua franca. English dominates scientific research, business communication, and higher education, reinforcing its status as the global language of knowledge. Third is global knowledge sharing. Digital uh, libraries, open source initiatives, and international research collaborations uh, speeded the sharing of discoveries and innovations. And opportunities in cultural globalization. Cultural globalization offers significant positive outcomes, fostering greater understanding and enriching societies. Also, we have three, increasing awareness. So, exposure to different tradition and worldwide cultivates greater cultural sensitivity and appreciation. Second is strengthened multiculturalism. Societies become more diverse, leading to richer cultural landscapes and stronger social cohesion. Third is access to global trends. Rapper refers to rapid access to the latest ideas, scientific breakthrough, and artistic trends accelerates local development. And benefits for developing countries. For developing nations, cultural globalization can be an uh, engaged for economic growth and international recognition, global stage promotion, economic diverse, and cultural diplomacy. Challenge and risk homogenization. The dominance of a few powerful cultures, particularly Western ones, poses risk to global cultural diversity. We have a three, loss of tradition, local language, tradition, craft, and indigenous practices are threatened by the influx and dominant global cultural norms, westernization, and uniformity of consumption. Global restaurant chains, the fashion brand contribute to a more uniform, less culturally distinct consumer landscape globally. This trend is often criticized as cultural imperialism, where global flow is perceived as one-way traffic. So, challenge the race identity. Rapid cultural change can lead to internal conflict, and especially among younger generation, caught between traditional and global values. We have three: youth identity crisis, global versus local tension, cultural backlash. A case study: the rise of K-pop. K-pop exemplifies that strategic cultural production combined with digital distribution can achieve unprecedented global uh, reach. We have a three: global music phenomenon, soft power and diplomacy, significant economic impact. And case study of fast food. The globalization of the fast food chains brings convenience but also introduce significant shift in local diets and health outcomes. We have rapid spread and accessibility and the shape of dietary habits, health and lifestyle consequences. Cultural globalization and future. Cultural globalization continues to evolve, shaped by digital innovation and renewed commitment of local heritage, like virtual communities, AI and cultural production, preserving local heritage. Uh, and also, thank you.